So the Patient Care Fund basically is money set aside by the administration in the aims of providing health care for patients.
So we form a committee of that's completely resident-run through the union, where any proposals can be presented by anybody in the hospital, whether a CIR member or not, and we can spend that money on things that we think our patients need, but that the hospital hasn't been able to provide for some reason. So whether it's a blanket warmer, a gyroscope so that people can learn how to intubate better. In pediatrics, one of the big things that we get funded through the Patient Care Fund is a party for diabetics. When it's time to go trick-or-treating for Halloween, shouldn't really be eating the candy that most people hand out, then we have a party for them to provide healthy snacks and still the opportunity to trick-or-treat.
For example, in our clinic, our microscope is ancient, and so the residents in my program are getting together to submit a proposal to CIR to get the funding to purchase a new microscope.
We spend it on things that we need in the clinics. I know last year orthopedics bought a child bone saw, the saw that they use to take off the cast. It's quieter so the kids don't get scared when they're having their casts cut off.
Recently we've done a number of different things. We've bought some equipment to be used in the operating room for the urology team. We've bought some ultrasounds to be used by the family medicine residents that are doing obstetric care.
I'm an anesthesiology resident, so there's different gadgets that we used into operative, and we're working now on getting disposable fiber optic scope that for the rest of the population doesn't mean much, but in terms of a difficult airway in an emergency, it can definitely help and save a life.
So it's a way for doctors to say, like, this is something that I think my patients need, but that the hospital can't provide. And CIR has been, one of its chief focuses has been to give doctors an opportunity to advocate for their patients, and the Patient Care Fund is a key component of that.